Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you are fine and you are completing your task as per routine. Okay, last time we have done our exercise 2A from page number 22 and today we are doing its remaining questions. As you know that last time we have done the divisibility test. We have discussed about the rule 1, that was about the dividing of 2. The second rule was telling that which numbers can be divided by 3 without dividing them. The third rule tells us that which numbers can be divided by 0 and 5 without actual division. And rule number 5 told us how we can divide any larger number by 10. What was the key about that? And now after reading the previous pages, you are able to attempt all these questions. You are able to fill these blanks, and you can also tell which statements are true and false, and you can also select the correct answer. After solving these, this is your home assignment and you have to do these sums your own. We have done till question number 7 last time, and today we are going to do question number 8. For question number 8, you just have to write yes or no. Here is given a number 1872. First you have to tell whether is it divisible by 2. C. Is this 2468? Is it its last factor is 2468? If yes, then it could be divided by 2. Then you have to write here yes. Similarly, you have to see this number, whether this number could be divided by 2. See if this is 02468. If it is, so you have to write over here yes. Now come for the 3. You have to add up all 4 digits. 7 plus 2 it's 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18. The sum of all these digits become 18. See whether 18 could be divided by 3. Yes, 3 6 are 18, so you have to write here yes. After this you have to tell about 5, whether this number could be divided by 5 or not. See if its last digit, the digit at its unit place, is 0 or 5. So this number could be divided, otherwise it is not. Here is 2, the last digit is 2, so the number could not be divided by 5. And now come for the 10. If 10 can divide only the numbers which have 0 at its unit place, or you can say 0 as its last digit, so this number could not be divided by 10 because its last digit is 2. Clear? So you have to write over here no. In the same way you have to do the all columns. Now before starting the next exercise, we have to learn about the prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? A prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Any number that has only two factors, the 1 and 2, so we can say that the number is prime number. Any number that can be divided exactly by its own table, that is also called a prime number. And you can say a number cannot be divided exactly by any other number except 1 or itself, then it is a prime numbers. Now you can see over here which are the prime numbers. 1 is a prime number, 2 can be divided only by its own table, 3 could be divided by its own table, 4 is not a prime number because it has 3 factors and the definition is 1 and the number itself. So 4 is not a prime numbers. 5, yes, 5 can be divided by its own table and 1, so it is also a prime number. What are the factors of 6? 6 can be in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these are many factors, these are more than 2, so this is not a prime number. This one is a prime number, this is not a prime number, and this is also not a prime number.